Hello, welcome back. As you can see, I have a bird in my hand. So a good little intro. So what we're going to do today, buddy, apart from get you some water and hopefully get you to where your mum and dad can hear you. Just happy chilling in my hands. Right, we got some videos to do, so we'll just get you some water. Go. But I don't think he'll be interested in this next little segue, which is what we're doing today. Some soldering. We'll do it outside because soldering involves quite a lot of heat and we don't want to burn the house down. We're going to solder some wires, and then I've got a few broken things around the house. Let's check some solder on it, see if it fixes it. Let's have a go. So we're safe, we're outside, the bird's still there. What we'll do first is we're going to do tinning. And as you can see with these cables, we've got the copper cable. I've twisted it around and folded it back on itself. And we will tin these cables. Now, this is my solder, and solder is a combination of lead and tin. They're both metals that melt at about 160, 170, 180 degrees. So that tip is hotter than that. So we've got to be very careful. We don't drip anything on you, because if you drip, it's going to be 180, 200 degrees of liquid metal landing on you, and that's going to hurt. So we're on a non-flammable table. We're just going to get some solder on the tip and watch it melt. Do you see that melt? There we go, there's one done. There's two done. So they're tinned. Right. Quick and easy, wasn't it? I wonder if that's good enough. Yeah. It doesn't wiggle anymore. It was messy, but it worked. Right. Doesn't matter what it looks like. Bit ugly, but it worked. So yeah, you can solder other things other than cables, but beware that it might not work. This is ugly, but it's worked, and this is spot on, so we can rewire this, but you don't need to see me do that. I'm sure that'll do. Let the bird do the outro. Join us next time for a cool video. Here you go. You're safe. Did you forget me?